So we're doing our second week of seaweed challenge. So this one is, I use this seaweed flakes, and I first boil them. You boil a pot of water, put a teaspoon salt, teaspoon oil, let it boil, and then dump this in. And then once you dump the seaweed in, and you let it boil for a minute and turn it to low and cover it for 10 minutes, and then turn it off, and then cover it for another 10 to 15 minutes. And then you dry them a little bit, and then they become this. And that's step one. Step two is that meanwhile you make your sauce. So this sauce is 1 tablespoon of immune boosting herbs, 2 tablespoons of Dr. Lu's sweetener, and 3 tablespoons Tamari sauce, and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. And then 3 tablespoons of the spicy oil I made. And then you marinate them. Oh, I marinated about 2 days, and now it really becomes this really thick, delicious seaweed paste. And second, you cube the cucumbers and cube them, and then put a little bit of Dr. Lu's sweetener, half teaspoon, and then 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and then just a touch of salt, and you just let it be for about 20 minutes. If you prefer, have some cilantro. Cilantro is one of the best ingredients, one of the best vegetables to detox you. So then you just mix them together and you serve them, and that's it. And then you're just mixing them well. And then on top of that, you can put the cilantro before serving. And that's it. It's delicious and it's very, very good for you.